Hi there. Let's learn another 40 words or phrases and expressions together. It's really bad weather outside. It's so cold. So it's super time to learn English. Let's get started. Here you are. Please do it. Excuse me? Sorry? Come here, please. Food, dish, meal. It was my second meal today. The whole. I didn't eat the whole cake. All. All my kids were happy about it. Plan. What are your plans for the weekend? If. Ask her if she needs it. Under. It should be under the table. TV. Television. To watch TV. What's on TV tonight? Enjoy. Enjoy doing something. I enjoy cooking. Prefer. Prefer something to something else. Prefer to do something. Prefer doing something. Tom prefers cars to motorbikes. Way. Which way is the right one? Kind. Kind of. Please be so kind and do it. Side. I was on your side. Hand. Hand in. Hand over. Hand out. Can you hand me the pen, please? Better. What would be better for you? Give up. Give, gave, given. You mustn't give up. You mustn't give it up. Free. Feel free to call me. Quarter. She didn't eat 3/4 of her lunch. Soup. Why didn't you eat the soup? Dessert. What kind of dessert shall I make? Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forget it. Pass. Pass out. Pass away. Pass by. I will call you when I'll be passing by. Taste. It doesn't taste very good. Try. Try on. I will try it. Nice try. Do you want to try it on? Beautiful. She looked so beautiful. Smart. He is smarter than you think. Good, better, the best. I will do my best. Bad, worse, the worst. It could always be worse. Little. Little, less, least, or the least. More or less. Slow, slowly, and the opposite, fast. Drive slowly, please. Right, and the opposite, wrong. Am I right or wrong? More. Give me more time. Late, later. See you later. Find, found, found. Find out. I can't find my keys. Then. My car is faster than yours. Real, really. Is it really so bad? Only. I have only 20 minutes for you. Close, closed. The house was closed. Open, opened. Who opened the car? Look, look out. Look after. Look for. Look at. Look like. She looks like her mother. And now a few bonus phrases. You can't do without them. You really need phrases to look natural in English. Here you are. Once more, please. One more time, please. One more, please. See you soon. Thank you. You're welcome. Not at all. How are you? How are you doing? How is it going? What's up? I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm good. It's all right. Can I have a cup of coffee? I would like a cup of coffee. I would like to have a cup of coffee. I'd like a cup of coffee. What would you like? Excuse me? May I help you, madam? Never give up. Do you get it? I don't get it. I see. Try hard. Try your best. It's never too late. That was close. For better and worse. Way out. Kind of. No way. I'll do it my way. What are you up to tonight? What's your plan for tonight?